Kwai nino box. Tanino Basqua. Tony Conzi. Kitsiligan. In Kwasuinamek. Pangiska. Nia. Aloka Uzi. Wl8ma nebi. Uzi Paki. Wl8ma. You know, box on how damn Nia Waya close all. Ta. Unda Uligan. Baby. Unda Aga Kizmzia. Here is my shower. Portable hot water shower that I made. I have 10 gallons of water right here. This water is cold water out of my hose. Now I could have got my hose. It'll go to a hose or a bucket, but right now I want reliable water at any point. And this will give me on-demand hot water when I want it, where I want it, and from whatever electrical source I need. I want 12 volts. I have a 12 volt pump, self-priming, internally circulating, recirculating pump. 10 feet of out hose from the water source to a filter to a pump on a little rubberized free-floating bracket I made. All this fits into a 5-gallon bucket, which you can then use as a water source, or I use it as a shower seat because I can't stand while I clean. I'll fall. I'm pretty weak. There's the out, and the out goes to this food grade hose, and I'm going to use my bucket into the intake. Here's our on-off valve for the water shower head, gas, heat, little vent. This is all mounted and through drilled to this board, mounted onto this dolly and bolted. However, the board can be disassembled, it's popped off, and you can hang it with a rope or whatever to a tree or a post or the side of whatever building or something, and then use the dolly for something else, or you can leave it all on the dolly and it all packs away, and the shower head right here goes around that and tucks in all nicely down here. So where you gonna get your power? Well, you get your power wherever you want it, really. So what I did was I built an electrical adapter here. This we Unda Impossible B. Okay, so what I built was, and this is a little bit of hack right here. I have these. It's live too. That's hot. These can go to any battery 12 volt system. 2 6s or a 12. And then that's taped together because it don't stay well. But that is a cigarette adapter lighter. So I can run my pump either directly off a car battery or a cigarette lighter. Or if I put it into the adapter, I can be wasteful and convert AC into DC and run my pump. So, and then it's also wall protected. There's an inline fuse here. There's an inline fuse on the other unit. And then this is also circuit protected, surge protected. So it trips. So that's a pretty good pump. That's 5.5 PSI and 5.5 gallon, 3 gallons per minute. Works good. It's a good pump. Anyway, pushes the water through, and then I get hot water instantly. So I only tried it once just now, and it's a little bit tricky to start. So, Angelo, do you want to operate the power? What do we have to do? First, we have to turn on the incoming water supply, and that is this. And I put all this together, and
you ready for me to turn the pump on?
please do. Power. to make a fool out of me. Does my pump not come on? Oh, there's my pump. There's water. This is on the lowest setting. That's on the highest setting. And then open up my gas valve. And this thing will click, click, click and fire up. And that water...
You're supposed to turn the water off.
Oh, you're right.
And before you turn the gas on.
Well, it's on now.
Okay.
Now I'll turn the water back on and it'll fire. There it goes. Click. So, and I'm actually gonna... This water gets pretty warm pretty quick here. And honestly, you don't need the first third. I mean, that's warm water. That's as warm as I'm gonna shower with because I'll burn myself. What do you think of that, folks? Hot shower unit. DIY. You know, these L10 heaters, it's not out of the box. It's not out of the box. You gotta design this thing and fabricate it. So in this shower head has a little... Now if I slow down the water flow, it goes cold. Which is good. My pump's running, but I'm not making hot water. So I'm kind of saving power. It doesn't like the low flow. Yep, it's starting to cool off. So now my pump's running and pushing water, but I'm not heating, so I can use cold water, save propane. But that's about the end of my little play here.
Yay!
All right. Goodbye, folks. We're just going to turn off the gas, and that's the end of it. That's how you kill it. Turn off the gas, then the pump. Wl8ma kitsi nuwa, scusi. Wl8ma nebi. Wl8ma nebi. Ligan uzi paki. Yeah, kitsi ligan. Wl8ma nikunga gita. Kizos. Wl8ma kizos, yeah. Oh, yeah. Wl8ma kizos. I don't need no box. I don't need a box. Adios.